Welcome! In front of me is a NUBIA Neo, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button and select power off once it appears. Now when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. After a moment, you will see the NUBIA logo on the display, and let's just wait for it to show up. And from here you can let go of the power button, and after a moment it will take us to the recovery mode. In here you will need to use volume buttons to navigate either up or down depending on which volume button you press. And with that in mind, you can select either reboot to bootloader or enter Fastboot mode. Both of them will actually take you to Fastboot mode, with the only difference being that enter Fastboot mode or Fastboot, once you confirm it using your power button, will take you to the dedicated Fastboot mode with additional options in here, which allows you to backtrack to, for instance, recovery mode, which was the screen that we have just came from, or also have the option to reboot the device, which takes us back to Android, along with having the power off option. While the bootloader, if I confirm it, you'll see that this takes us to this optionless Fastboot mode. Now it might not be visible, I'm going to bring it up close, but you can see just a tiny bit of text right here. So you can see basically the end Fastboot mode, or mode and like a couple letters of Fastboot. But this is also Fastboot mode. Now, unlike the previous one here, you just need to hold your power button till the device turns off. And as you can see, it will automatically turn back on. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.